Daytona, where the beaches are world famous, where the boardwalk is the hangout spot, where the cars are simply faster, where the city comes alive at night, where the gators are bigger, where the tortugas run the bases, and where a split second can change your entire approach on how you land. That's where I want to be. I want to be there. Let's go.
And Baton Rouge approach, Cessna November 406 uniform 7500.
Cessna 4068 uniform by approach, Baton Rouge altimeter 282, say destination heading.
2982 on the altimeter, the destination is going to be 5 Romeo 4, 16 uniform.
How do you determine the cruise altitude?
River Gun HR 118.45.
So the way I determine the cruise altitude mainly is on how long of a distance I'm flying and what the weather is. So yeah, on this flight 7500 is going to be good. We're not getting
1994 golf.
We're not getting a lot of rate of climb. We're getting about 100 feet a minute, so it's just not worth the additional
340
gas expenditure. New Orleans approach, that's November 406 uniform 8700.
We're 68 uniform, New Orleans approach, altimeter 2985. What's your destination?
2985, and the destination is going to be 5 Romeo 4, 16 uniform. Oh, my bad. You can go back to the music, bro.
Man, no video to this. Hurt my feelings.
One day, man. One day.
Just gonna maintain 2,000.
What we said last year, we were supposed to get a boat.
Yeah, that's true.
Bonfire on the beach.
Mobile approach, that's on November 406 uniform 8200.
Or 4068 uniform, mobile approach, altimeter 2985.
2985, 16 uniform. We have actually switched our destination for the next landing. We were going to land in Foley, Alabama, but since we're up this high and we're able to conserve a lot of fuel, we are going to go all the way to Crestview, Florida. Looks to be right over Destin, which I will fly to one day because the beaches are beautiful from what I hear.
6682 X-ray, mobile approach, altimeter 2985.
Oh yeah, got Daniel with me today.
Yep, DJ Vicious.
And we are en route to our Father's Day retreat. 2 days in Daytona and 2 days in Atlanta. We're going to go up to see our friend Joe as well, who's also a dad. And we're going to have a really good time. We've got a lot of activities planned or not planned. Some of the stuff we just do spur of the moment.
Champion Dad Retreat 2023.
All right, let's call it that. Champion Dad Retreat 2023.
There's 5 steps all together. But sacrificing of our time, sacrificing of our resources, and sacrificing of self. I know when my oldest son was born, it was a big part of me that recognized like my world was never going to be the same. And it was easy for me to let go of ego and recognize this is bigger than me.
Absolutely, and you hit the nail on the head. I agree 100%. You said sacrifice, not just meaning financially, because that's a given, but time spent. Time spent is, I feel, the most valuable thing that you can do with your child. And this is a good segue to actually give a shout out to my son Marcelo and my daughter Adrielle, who both watched the channel. I'm really looking forward to this retreat, man. Spending some time at the beach.
Yeah, self-care is an important part of being a champion dad too. Because if you're not able to be healthy and well yourself, if you don't have enough energy in your tank from doing things that you love, how can you pour into others and be a blessing?
So with the Champion Dad brand, do you have any merchandise?
Yeah, I believe I did a Digi Store 24 or something like that, where I have a digital store where
142 for Mike, level
people can order shirts, hoodies,
or 142 for Mike, mobile approach, altimeter 2985. 35, 142 for Mike.
So you guys heard there's a store. What I'll do is I will link that store below the video as well. So go ahead and take a look and order some merchandise if you're a Champion Dad. This is 6A uniform. Type of aircraft is Cessna 150. Destination is Delta Alpha Bravo, Daytona Beach. We'll do it at 7,500. 6A uniform.
Number 6 at uniform, roger, maintain VFR.
We'll maintain VFR, 6A uniform.
Number 6 at uniform, one able squawk 5551.
5551, 6A uniform. Next step, Daytona.
Would like to report extreme turbulence over here.
For 6 at uniform, roger. Decent is approved. Join the beach southbound for right base, runway 25 right.
Beach southbound for right base, 25 right, 6 uniform.
You said it was extreme?
Oh yeah, 6 uniform.
Roger.
Number 406 at uniform Daytona. Number 6 at uniform Daytona.
6 at uniform, contact the tower, 120.7.
Number 406 at uniform Daytona.
4068 uniform Daytona.
Number 406 at uniform is going to go around. There was heavy turbulence.
Number 6 at uniform, you can make right traffic runway 25 right.
Right traffic, 25 right. Can we do left traffic, 6 at uniform?
6 at uniform, you can make left traffic, and are you able to land runway 25 left?
Yeah, 100%. I think we can do that. I just don't want to go right into the turbulence.
6 at uniform Daytona Tower, turn left, enter the left crossing for runway 25 left. Number 6 at uniform, runway 25 left, clear to land.
25 left, clear to land, 6 at uniform.
Sentinel aircraft low level wind shear advisory in effect at Daytona Beach International Airport. 20 knot gain on a 1 mile final. Daytona wind 30011, gust 1 top. Okay, uniform exit at the end, contact ground, have a good day.
Alright, exit at the end, contact ground, 6 uniform, thanks.